Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Thursday, March 22nd, 2018. Hopefully everyone enjoyed their snow day yesterday. A couple of things to remember with that snow day is you were assigned blizzard bags. You have a blizzard bag for every class that you are taking, and those are due by the 11th of April. Please do not waste time on this, because what will happen is you'll get back from spring break and not be very motivated to get it done. So the quicker we can get those done, the better off we'll be. Looking at things, there's no homework other than that. You do have an ALEKS practice packet, 38 total questions in math. This is due on Monday, April 2nd when we get back from break. Go home tonight, look over the packet. If you have any questions on any of the problems, come in and see myself or Mrs. Caparini first thing tomorrow. All right, also you need to do your rock book for science and focus on your rock quiz for tomorrow. That's it for today. Make it a good one.